Your Excellency, I have the honor to present His Excellency, Mr. Maciej Chmielinski, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Poland to the Republic of Fiji.
Address to Your Excellency, which I address to Your Excellency, accrediting me as non-resident ambassador extraordinary and plenipotentiary of the Republic of Poland to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present letters of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and a successful mission. Please convey to the President, the government, and the people of the Republic of Poland our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Bula. Oh.
This is the great honor to beneficial.
Yes. It's made from plates, handmade.
Uh-huh.